we can download genuine copy of Windows 10 ISO for free from official Microsoft website. First go to google.com and search download Windows 10 ISO. Click this link. Click download tool now. Now, run the downloaded file. It will take some time to load, according to your PC specification and internet speed. Be patient and stay here until it is loaded. Click Accept. Select second option and click Next. Here you can select language, edition and architecture as per your requirement. Uncheck this tick. Here you can select 32-bit or 64-bit according to your PC specification. I select combined. Here select ISO file and click Next. Give a file name and save. Here it is started downloading Windows 10 ISO file. Finally, download has been completed. File size is APRIX 6 GB. Let's test downloaded Windows 10 ISO file is working or not. It is working without any issue.